Namaste children. I am Srimati Anupama Rao from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Today we shall learn a new lesson. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Children, at first you have to answer me for some of the questions. First question is, how many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. What do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. The second question is, how many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. We hear with our ears. How many feet do we have? We have 2 feet. These help us walk the way. How many lips do we have? We have 2 lips. These help us to talk. Children, how many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. We do all our works with our hands. And the last question is, how many nose do we have? We have 1 nose. Nose helps us to breathe and to smell. Children, now I will recite the poem twice. First time, just listen to me without looking into the book. Second time, I want you to read the poem along with me. 2 little eyes to look around, 2 little ears to hear each sound, 2 little feet to walk the way, 2 little lips to talk all day, 2 little hands to work so smart, and 1 little nose to smell the tart. Now one more time. 2 little eyes to look around, 2 little ears to hear each sound, 2 little feet to walk the way, 2 little lips to talk all day, 2 little hands to work so smart, and 1 little nose to smell the tart. Let us now understand the poem. Children, we have 2 little eyes to look around. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿವೆ? ನಮಗೆ 2 ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿವೆ. ನಾವು ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿಂದ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? 2 little ears to hear each sound. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಅಂಗ ಇದೆ? ಕಿವಿಗಳು. ಕಿವಿಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. We have 2 little ears to hear each sound. Do we have big ears like elephant? No, we have small ears. 2 little feet to walk the way. ನಮಗೆ 2 ಪಾದಗಳಿವೆ. ಈ ಪಾದಗಳ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ನಡೆಯಬಹುದು, ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು, ಓಡಬಹುದು ಹಾಗೂ ಜಿಗಿಯಬಹುದು. We have 2 little feet. With the help of these, we can go to school, we can run, we can hop and jump. 2 little lips to talk all day. ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಟಿಗಳು. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ತುಟಿಗಳಿವೆ? ನಮಗೆ 2 ತುಟಿಗಳಿವೆ. ಈ ತುಟಿಗಳ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಮಾತನಾಡಬಹುದು. 2 little hands to work so smart. ನಮ್ಮ 2 ಕೈಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗಳಿಂದ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು, ಊಟ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? And one little nose to smell the tart. Tart is an open pile containing jam or fruit. ನಮಗೆ ಮೂಗೆಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಒಂದು. ಈ ಮೂಗಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ಮೂಗಿಂದ ನಾವು ಉಸಿರಾಡಬಹುದು ಹಾಗೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ವಾಸನೆ ತಿಳಿಯಬಹುದು. ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಪರಿಮಳ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೂಗಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. Children, now we will read the story given on page number 12. You have to listen to me moving your finger on those words that I read. Spurti is 8 years old. How old is Spurti? Spurti is 8 years old. She has black shiny eyes. Black andre kappu, shiny andre ಹೊಳೆಯುವ. How were the eyes of Spurti? Spurti's eyes were black and shiny. She enjoys herself looking at butterflies, flowers and trees. Butterflies means ಚಿಟ್ಟೆಗಳು. Flowers means ಹೂಗಳು. Trees means ಮರಗಳು. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. How wonderful to be able to see things, feels Spurti. How does Spurti feel? She feels wonderful to be able to see things. Wonderful means adbhuta. See means nodu. How we will be able to see these beautiful nature, children? With our eyes. We will be able to see these beautiful nature with the help of our eyes. For a while, Spurti shuts her eyes with her hands. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯು ಅವಳ ಕೈಗಳಿಂದ ಅವಳ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಚುತ್ತಾಳೆ. She cannot see anything. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಏನನ್ನೂ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Spurti has sharp ears. Sharp means ತೀಕ್ಷ್ಣವಾದ. ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಳಿಗೆ ತೀಕ್ಷ್ಣವಾದ ಕಿವಿಗಳಿವೆ. That means she can hear every soft sound also. She can hear the sounds. Children, can you hear the sounds? Yes, you can. You can hear the sound with the help of your ears. Which sounds can you hear, children? You can hear the sounds of vehicles moving on the road. You can hear the sounds of birds singing, etc. Children, we will come to the last paragraph. She hears the birds singing. ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಲಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಶಬ್ದ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ? ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳ ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. The bee is buzzing. ಜೇನ್ನೊಣಗಳ ಝೇಂಕಾರ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. And more than anything, her mother singing. ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅವಳ ತಾಯಿಯ ಸುಮಧುರವಾದ ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. How beautiful it is to hear sounds, says Spurti to herself. Spurti tells to herself that it is wonderful to hear sounds. Okay, children, the lesson was very interesting, right? Yes. Okay, now let us learn some key words from the lesson: head, shoulders, knees and toes. Smart, tart, shiny, around, butterflies, wonderful, able, shuts, sharp, buzzing. One more time. Smart, tart, shiny, around, butterflies, wonderful, able, shuts, sharp, buzzing. Children, you have to write these keywords 2 times in your classwork book. Children, we will be continuing the remaining session in the next class. Thank you.